our home in Metro Manila. We always find ourselves staying here at Hotel Celeste. The hotel's prime location was impeccable, offering easy access to everything we wanted to do. Every corner of the hotel was immaculate, from the lobby to our room. It was clear that the staff took great pride in keeping the hotel pristine. The hotel's lobby restaurant was a culinary delight. But what truly made our stay unforgettable was the exceptional staff. Their friendliness, helpfulness, and attention to detail were second to none. From the moment we arrived to the time we checked out, we always felt like valued guests. Accessibility had a great time staying in Hotel Celeste. Staff were very helpful and friendly. Big shops and restaurants is just across the road. Great staycation. The staff are nice and they welcome us warmly. Their amenities are beyond our expectations. We had the best stay. A celestial stay, well designed and fairly spacious room for a very affordable price. Exceptional family members stayed here and they were so impressed with the rooms, location and accessibility. Thanks for making their stay memorable. Great hotel. Hotel Celeste offers everything a traveler needs for a comfortable and restful stay. Highly recommended. Great location, clean room. It has a great location. Friendly staffs, excellent choice of breakfast. Just plain awesome. Just one word to describe our stay at Hotel Celeste: awesome. Staff, amenities, cleanliness, value for money, food at their cafe, 5-star rating. Great stay, quiet and decent food available downstairs. Fully enjoyed my stay. Nice sized rooms, close to everything, bars, food, malls etc. Bags were lost and didn't have to go far to get some new items until they found my luggage. I stayed an extra night as I had to wait for bag to arrive. Exceptional, excellent.